In this calendar overview demonstration, you will learn to toggle calendars on and off to display their activities, the different calendar views, how calendar activities are displayed, how to change your response to a meeting invitation, and how to display activity details. To open the calendar, click the Calendar tab. By default, you have one calendar in your Zimbra web client account. You can create as many additional calendars as you need. For example, you can create one calendar for each work project, one for your personal appointments, etc. Viewing calendar activities is simple because you can toggle calendars on and off. To begin, look in the Overview pane. Calendars with a check mark are toggled on and their activities displayed. If a calendar is not checked, its activities are not displayed. The activity's color indicates its source calendar. In this example, all blue activities are from the default calendar, and all activities in red are from the calendar that is shared with me by my manager. To simplify your view, toggle calendars on and off as necessary. Now the red calendar activities are not displayed. By default, your calendar activities are shown in the Workweek view, showing Monday through Friday. To change the calendar view, click one of the buttons on the right of the toolbar. For example, click Month to see the month view. To see more detail, click on a day. The fisheye view displays meetings by the hour. Click the red X to dismiss the fisheye view. Click the arrows to view previous and future months and weeks. Another useful view is Day View. In Day View, each calendar selected in the navigation pane is displayed in a separate column. The Today link is always available on the toolbar to quickly highlight or navigate to today. Note that when you change your view using the buttons, the view is changed only for this session. If you log out of Zimbra and log back in, you will see the Workweek view. You can change your default calendar view on the Preferences Calendar page, which is described in the Calendar Preferences demonstration. Let's return to the Workweek view to explore other calendar features. Calendar activities display a stripe of color that indicates the activity's free busy status. Blue indicates that you have accepted a meeting, and this time is displayed as busy time to anyone viewing your calendar. Orange indicates that you have not yet responded to the meeting invitation. By default, when you receive a meeting invitation, the meeting is automatically displayed on your default calendar. You can change this default on the Preferences Calendar page. You can right-click the meeting to respond to the invitation from the calendar, or you can reply to the meeting invitation in your inbox. A purple stripe indicates out-of-office time. Other important visual indicators are for meeting invitations that you have either declined or accepted as tentative. If you responded as tentative to a meeting invitation, the meeting is somewhat transparent on the calendar with a gray status stripe. This time is displayed as tentative time to anyone viewing your calendars. If you declined a meeting invitation, the meeting is displayed as very transparent on the calendar with a white status stripe. This time is displayed as free time to anyone viewing your calendars. Please note that visual cues provided in the Zimbra calendar, banner color, status stripe, levels of transparency, tags, etc., are not displayed on mobile devices. To change your response to a meeting invitation, right-click the meeting and select another option from the menu. This meeting is now displayed as accepted and busy time, as indicated by the blue status stripe. You can also right-click and select Delete to remove an activity from your calendar. You can hover your mouse over any activity to view the details for the activity. If you are the organizer of a meeting, the activity displays how many attendees have accepted, responded as tentative, or needs action, which indicates that an attendee has not responded to the meeting invitation. To edit the information for an activity, either double-click or right-click. If this is a repeating meeting, you are prompted to either open the instance or the series. Select Open Instance. The Appointment tab is displayed. Here you can view the meeting information, add or remove attendees, and edit the meeting information. This completes the calendar overview demonstration.